Welcome to another quick review. Today we're going to look at a dash cam. This is the dash cam made by Pelsee. It's going to be the Starlight series. This is the S3 Touch. Now I'm going to go through some of the basics on it and then we're going to install it real quick. So the main thing I want to test on this is going to be the night vision. The night vision on this is using the Sony STARVIS 2 sensor, which you can have total darkness and it is going to actually use night vision and make it where you can see that, and not only see it, but it is going to put it in color. That is truly amazing. Now this unit also has ADAS, which is an assistant that monitors for things like cars coming at you from the rear really quickly, or pedestrians walking out in front of you, or cars slamming the brakes on, and it gives you voice alerts right away to help you avoid those obstacles. Now a couple of the other basics on this is going to be a 4K front camera and a 1080 rear camera. This also has GPS on it and Bluetooth, and what that means is you will be able to Bluetooth pictures and videos real quickly, and you'll also be able to monitor where the vehicle is at all times, especially if this is a vehicle for, say, work purposes. It's an asset and you're trying to track it. And obviously this is going to be a 2-channel system. I have just the 2 cameras with no other split. So it's a 2-channel system, which means that it is extremely easy and quick to install this unit. A couple of the other things I like is I like the fact that it is touchscreen. When you get it, it's going to have a protective cover on the back. You're going to simply remove that cover, and now you have a really nice touchscreen to be able to maneuver around inside of the actual unit, and do things, in the settings and things like that. But this also has another function. It has a voice control, and it has certain phrases that you can use, like lock video. So if you have an accident or there's something really important that you want to capture and you want to make sure that it does not get erased on the loop, because this will loop record, it will lock that down for you so that you can extract that later. It has a 48-hour parking function. Now a lot of these that I review have like an overnight parking function. This has literally 48 hours. And what it means is it has a little G sensor inside of it. So if the car gets bumped or hit, it is automatically going to record and lock that down so that you'll have that recording for future, reference if you have to call the police or whatever, insurance claims, you name it, but you have that video. It is going to come with a 128 gigabyte card. A lot of these I get do not come with a card at all, and if they do, it's usually very small. They're literally giving you 128 gigs, and this is upgradable to 256. This system can also view 170 degrees, so it is going to capture an awful lot. So now let's go ahead and let's see what you actually get. The unit is going to arrive to you in a nice box like this. Inside the box, you're going to have 2 more boxes, and they actually label them very nicely. One of them is going to be the actual cams, and one of them is the accessories. The first little bag that I'm looking at here is going to have mainly all of your cords for hooking everything up, cleaning pads, and the plastic sheets so that you can actually mount this to your windshield, because it's a windshield mount system. Your instruction manual. Now they do give you something here I thought was kind of interesting. They give you a really nice gold sticker that tells you, or tells someone else that your car is protected by a cam. 128 gig micro card. Pull this out, take it to a computer and get your information, or you can use the Wi-Fi and get it that way as well. These little black clips here you use to put on the glass and areas around the car where you're wanting to run your cabling. They also give you the suction cup piece right here that is going to go on your windshield that your main cam is going to slide into. And there you can see the connections here and here, they slide together. This is what is going to go over the other pieces they have you put on the windshield. So you will have it all stuck together. So there you go, guys. Super easy install. And the video footage on it and the video quality is amazing. especially that night vision. So if you're looking for a great cam, something that's easy to install, you only need a couple of channels, so you only want 2 cameras, one rear, one back, and you won't want a lot of capacity as far as capturing that video and keeping it for you so that you can use it at a later date. I don't think you're going to go wrong with this system with all of its little features. Do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. We'll see you guys on the next review.